Hello and welcome to another episode of Jeff and Jeff Home and Garden. In this episode, we will be installing a custom light fixture in the kitchen. We removed an old fixture and will be replacing the new light fixture in the same place. Always make sure the power is turned off either by the light switch or the breaker, and always double check with a voltmeter to prevent injury. First, we mount the bracket using anchors and screws to support the weight of the fixture. Next, we attach the chains and hang the fixture. Then we hide the electrical wire by wrapping it through the chain. We are using 5 60-watt bulbs and a Lutron dimmer that will support 600 watts, just in case they decide to use brighter bulbs in the future. Again, make sure the breaker is off to prevent injury. We connect the black power wire, the red switch leg, and the ground to complete the installation of the dimmer. The job is now complete. Wow, isn't that beautiful?